everybody, what is up? Guess what? I'm back here on the Detex factory floor, and I have something pretty cool I want to show you. All right, so I am here with Jaime. Jaime, how's things going?
Going all right. Hey, you came back.
I did, you know.
You did a good job yesterday.
You know, I think I've been told, okay, I've been wandering around bothering innocent people, okay? So, Jaime, I guess you're my latest victim again.
Hey, I'm here.
But so just a few minutes ago, you were actually telling me some things that I honestly didn't know. And I was like, well, hold on, let's get the camera rolling, and then I'll do what I should do most of the time, which is step out of the way and, you know, let the real expert kind of fill us in here. So
sure.
Is what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna do exactly what I said, and I'm gonna kind of just step on, and I'm gonna let you do your thing.
All right.
You ready?
Sounds fair enough.
All right.
So what this is our surface vertical, or SVR rods. We do all this here in-house. So I'm gonna just demonstrate this one here. This is our ER. And I'm gonna simulate it how it would look on a door. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna power this guy on, which we have power. And I'm gonna activate the motor, this is our ER. So we can see our top latch, how it went engaged. And then we're gonna see our center case as well go into action here. So we're gonna go ahead and disengage it right here on the top. And then we're gonna release it. Yeah. So we see how our push pad got released and our center case also is going to get released just right there, just like that. So we're going to do it one more time, and we're going to pay attention to our center case. And then we'll go ahead and release it. One of the main points I want to point out about our center case is that, for example, when we're ordering things happen out in the field. Customers may get the wrong information from somebody. And if they order a right hand and it was supposed to be a left hand, simple enough. All we got to do is take this C-clip off, which we do supply with our kits, extra C-clips. We take this C-clip off. We're going to move it down to the right position we need, reinstall the C-clip, and off you go on your job. No need to call us, no need to say anything. Just get on going like it was meant to be. So in a little bit, we'll demonstrate that here on the bench, how to do that. And also on our kits, we also come with our templates here. These are hard plastic templates, so they won't get blown away with the wind. They won't get lost. They're durable, easy to install, especially with our top latch here. This is a quick demonstration. Something like this will go on the door, and then it's pretty much self-explanatory after that. Pretty easy, really easy. A lot of our kits come like that, especially with the strikes. But the main thing I want to point out to everybody is that a lot of this stuff here is made here in-house. And that's the beauty about it. That everything is hand-touched, handmade, all the way down to the mechanism, to the springs, to the C-clips, to the grease. Everything is felt here in the shop. All the way to our electronics as well. Goes through extreme testing before it even hits the production floor. And then once it hits the production floor, then we also do another retest just to make sure that before it hits the customer, that it's being pre-tested and ready to go for installation. That's the beauty about Detex.
If you've made it this far in the video, it's my guess that you've received or ordered a right hand or a left hand only to get out to the job and realize that what you needed is the reverse. If you find yourself in this situation, you don't have to ship anything back. In just a few moments, you can switch it from right to left or left to right. Check this out. All right, so I have the base unit here that we're gonna flip it from. Looks like it's on left-hand reverse. We're gonna move it over here to right-hand reverse. Now, let's just kind of get into it now. We have a left hand, we wanna get a right hand. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this clip off and we're just gonna move this bar over to this one here, okay? Now, they have fancy tools to do this type of stuff, but we're not gonna have those. And I'm kinda hoping Jaime, without me knowing, is kinda off behind me or something, getting ready to catch this clip, because if you've watched enough of my videos, you know what happens when we do this. Oh, here it is, okay. We have to be careful on that one. So we got this one clip off here. Let's get the other one off. I'm gonna kind of put my hand around it just to make sure I don't, so you can see. I don't wanna be losing clips and leaving here with an extra bill, right? Okay, there we go. Got that off. Now that we have the two clips off, I have them sitting right here, nice and safe. We're gonna just swap it over from right hand to left hand. So I'm just gonna pull this out. I'm gonna put my finger right here on this nut. I'm gonna bring it back. I'm gonna put it over here now. Once we got that, now my hands are a little greasy here, so hopefully get this on here good. We're gonna put these clips back on if I can pick them up. All right, here we go. So we got that on there. And I'm just gonna use this pair of pliers, needle nose. All right, got that one on, and then we're just gonna put this one back where we found it. All right. So that is all that is required on the fly in the field to go from right hand to left hand or vice versa. It's pretty awesome. And it's something that's really cool that Detex has made it super easy for everyone actually installing the devices to get the job done and get the job done on time. So Jaime, I really appreciate you taking the time to talk us through it. And the one other thing is, you know, they were like, hey, PJ, thanks and all, but where's the safety glasses? So
did y'all catch that?
Jaime, I'm code now.
There you go.
I'm code now.
PPE is great.
All right, perfect. Well, hey, now of course, Jaime and I really want to know what you think in the comments below. Now, Detex has had these items out for a while, but what I'm really curious about is, did you already know this, or is this new to you? I mean, it's been fun.
Hey, I hope I see you again tomorrow, right?
Yeah, hey, you know.
Perfect,
everybody. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey, before you go, I want to make sure that you know to include the hashtag Lockboss when you comment on our videos, and you automatically get hooked up to win free stuff that we give away each and every week. Tune in live here on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and find out who the lucky winners are. I'm rooting for you. We'll see ya.